Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete message app on Android. If you are using an Android phone and you want to delete message apps, let's see how can you do this. First of all, let me explain to you that you can't delete pre-installed message app of your phone, but you can easily force stop that. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to keep press and hold on your message app, and here just tap on app info or eye icon, just tap on it, and here you'll get force stop option. You must have to tap on it, then tap on OK. In this way you can easily force stop of your app, and here just tap on notifications and then disable all notifications, and after that you just have to press and hold on it, then tap on remove to remove that. In this way your message app will not delete it from your phone. It will remain on in your phone, but you will not receive any message. So that's how you can delete message app on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.